Wanted to share with you some items at Aldi that you might want to check out for this week. They have these cute little shorts in there, like a denim. They have a little cuff on it, and you can see they go up to plus size. They have them in a few different colors. I want to say these are around $10. Well, the tags sometimes will be mixed up, but if not 10, they'll be around that price range. They still have some great like organizers, motivational calendars, journals, different things like that at Aldi, and you can see you can get all type of different ones. You can get this right here, which has cute little things. This right here is like a card set to help you find your strengths and different things. So I guess it's like some kind of game that you can play, which might be good. This right here, this wireless keyboard and mouse set. All the boxes were a bit dinged up, but you can grab that. They still have the desk mat for $10. They only had one color left. They have these linen pants, $10 for these. And so they're just like a lightweight, and then they have pockets. They have the elastic waist, just something cute, toss and go. They have them in solid colors, and then you can see they have them in prints. This is the one print that they had at mine. The print though kind of gave pajama pants though, so I don't know. These right here, so you can grab these $8. They're like this little slip-on shoes that you can grab, and they had those in a few different prints, and they even had them in solid colors too. They have this right here, more planners, $5, and you can see different patterns and prints on those. They have these beach towels on clearance right now for $6 because it is still hot out. We got a whole month to still go to the beach and enjoy. They have these little plants for like $4, and I think these are real like live living plants and they have different ones. So if you are a plant lover, you can grab those. They have this right here. So $15. It's a backpack, but you put water in it. And this would have been great because like the heat wave that was going around, that would have been great if people like still like to do outdoor stuff. You can grab one of those. They have the hammock on sale now for $6.50. Not bad at all. And that's just a portable little hammock. Two, they have the little note blotter pads, and then they have those in different prints. You can see it comes with like different little parts, so you can write down different things on those. This right here, the candles, $5 for those. They're cute little glass. This right here, the serving caddy, they still have that. They have this, I think it's this, that's $13. It has a bunch of little holes in it. I don't know if you put like a cup in there, if you put little things in those slots, but they do have that you can grab. This right here, it was like a pretty orange yellow kind of color, but it's not picking up the way that it's supposed to. It's looking more yellowish. These cups, I just wanted to show, we saw these cups before, but they can break. I didn't realize that. So if you get those, be careful. This right here, love this. Okay, so it's the yogurt cup dessert thing, and you get the spoon, you have to put the fruit up top. They have a little small one, and I think both of those are going to be the same price, $7 for those. $7 for the salad spinner. Still, they still have those pretty serving trays. This $4 for this, and it's like a little like cushion lounger, like you can fold it up, take it with you. They have this two-tier organizational basket, like bin wire thing, $15 for that. That's a great way to get your desk organized, just different things, and you can see the space looks good. I love some velvet hangers, and they have a 10 pack for $5 right now. These are a lot of things you can take off to college too. Lunch boxes right here, so $9. They have some nice prints, and they are a decent size. So if you're looking for like a nice little cute lunch box, and you can see it has different little compartments in it. This right here, okay, so it's like the Swiffer, but like with the reusable pad, because you can just wash that and stuff. But $15 for that. So it sprays out the cleaner. I love my Swiffer. These $9, and they're like a medium type size, but they come with a top and stuff. These I love, and then these would be cute for the kiddos, or if you like little animals and different things like that. They had those and a ton of fun little animals. $15. These laundry room mats, so $10. They're nice and long, and they have laundry room sayings on them. So that one just says laundry room. This one right here is the little truck, and it says laundry co, stuff like that. So you can use those in your laundry room. They still have the coffee makers, $38 for those. They have those in a few different colors, and these are single serve coffee makers. They still have the utensil set, $12 or $11.30 for that, and they come in different colors. These are great startup things. They have the waffle maker for $15, the knife block set for $15, and both of those come in different colors, so you can grab that. They had some detergent out on display today on sale. The Tide Pods, $15. the big bottle of Dawn, $10 for that. And then they had a lot of cute little pet things. So you can get the little pool for $13, this little flotation, like a life jacket for your dog for $15. Super cute. They have this little bathing system right here for the dog. So it's just like an attachment you can put on your shower, you can put on your sink, you can put on your faucet outside, and it's just like, to help clean the pup. So you can clean it wherever you're at. This right here, $15, and it is just really a bunch of cleaning broom sets. Like, you get what I'm saying? So it has the little things so you can put on different pieces for different things. It has the dustpan, it has all of that stuff, and it has like different bristles, like for pet cleaning. $10 right here. This is a bin to hold the pet food, and it holds like a good amount. It comes with a little scooper. It's a pretty little pattern on it. This little pad for the cat. $7 for that right there. I think it's for like under the litter box or something like that. We saw these before, but $10, these are cute. And I don't think we saw this one. And I just thought the colors on that were really pretty. So if you want like a bird feeder, you can grab that. We saw these. They still have it, the gnome ones and all of those. $5 for those. This right here, so $15, and it is a little playpen basically for your pup or your whatever pet you have outside. And you can just pop it up, fold it back down like that when you're ready to go. The water dispenser for the pet, because it's hot. So $15 for those. This little cat scratching pad right here. So $20 for this, and you can see it's like just a regular gray, but it's like got a nice little arrangement on that. They had these cute little kid shoes right here. So they have all the little different characters. And then they have some that, don't have characters that you can grab, but you can see they have different type ones. But they have for boys, they have for girls, they have, like I said, plain, just printed ones, and then ones with different characters on it. So if your kids want shoes, this little another pet item, $30. So it's a little vacuum, but like for the pet hair and stuff, and it's a 2-in-1. So you can grab that. The little kid socks, you can get those a pack for $7 for 10 socks, and you can see they go up to big kid sizes too, and they have those in prints and in solids. And then they have this little portable laptop stand. So $10 for this, and you can like have a laptop stand to just bring around with you. You could just toss it in your bag and go. This I don't know the price on it, but it has padding in it, so a good sports bar padding in it. They have the lunch set, $8, and these are all these little compartments and different things that you can take apart and put in. Backpacks, $13. We saw these mugs before, but they are on sale for $5. They don't have all the other colors, but those are cute. I don't think we saw these before, but these are on sale, and they're glass. $6 for those, and then they have the little silicone on the outside, the matching straw, and the bamboo lid. So those were cute. These we saw before, $6 for those. This I'm not sure if we saw before, but $7, and it's another little lunch packing set. So it has all of these different little compartments, different little things. You can pack little snacks, so you can really pack enough for the whole day with these, and then grab a lunchbox to go, with it. They have these for $8, just the little hooded towels that you can grab in different animals, and they're like pretty colors and stuff, so your kiddos might like that. They have this wastebasket, $3, just a little cute small wastebasket, but it kind of has like a little swoop to it. So that was cute. They have the little clear organizational things. I think that pack right there is $7 because the other one says 10 piece, and I don't think this is 10 piece. So I think that one is $7. But they have other clear organizational things too. They still have the satin mask with the sleeping mask that goes with it that you can grab for $5. These, so you can get two bins for $5, and they're little collapsible bins, and it's like just pretty colors too. So they have the blue, they have neutral colors. This lamp, $30, a nice little rattan lamp here. So yeah, Aldi has a lot of things that you should take a look at this week. This garbage can, I think you have to put it together. I think you have to put this together, but you can get your little garbage can there. $20 for these weighted blankets. So they're like, if you want like a weighted blanket, they have a few different print options, some solids. They still have a lot of those beauty products that we saw. So the face cleaner with the different heads on it that you can grab for $8. The roller with the different head. They have the straightening brush, like basically a blow dryer. $15 for that. They still have the earbuds for $15. The little floating one for $6.50, and this little fidget thing right here for $5. It was cute. I might lose it though, but if you keep it in the case, you probably won't. They have these little candles here, so $5, and they have like a subtle smell. I don't know how they smell when you burn them, but they have like a subtle soft smell to them, and they had them in a few different scents. They have this drawer organizer set, $8 for this, and you can use this like in your junk drawer in your kitchen, in your vanity, in your bathroom. You can use this so many different places. But it has like 6 pieces to it. They have like the kid learning books, $5 for those, and they have like a little dry erase marker on there. So I'm thinking like to set up like a teacher set. This right here, $7 for these. They have stickers and all kind of pages. This chair I thought was pretty, $60, and it has just a nice little like scalloped like kind of look, but not scalloped, if you know what I mean. They have the essential oils and then the wax melt. So the oil is $5, and then the wax melt is $2.30, and they have a bunch of different scents that you can grab for that. They had this. This was out of place, but if you like shredded meat, you might want to grab this. It had like the set. They still have the electronic toothbrushes. And then this little Yahtzee game, I just thought was cute for travel. It's only a couple of bucks. This little lantern left over for the summer stuff. They have that right now. And then the rolling duffel bag, $20. And this is a big bag. So Aldi has just a variety of things right now that you might want to take a look at, because they have a lot of things. This right here, so if you like, when you scrub your dishes with the stuff, it's just cute and fancy because it has the marble print. These I thought were cute. So if you have a cat and just keep them with the pet theme, $2 for those. And then this pet sprinkler, so cute. So I think it just inflates and you put it with your hose, and then the pets just run out in it, and it's only $10, not bad. And then this paw scrubber right here, so $7 for that. Comes with the towel and the little scrubber. So they have a ton of pet things at Aldi right now. So you might want to head over to your Aldi and check it out.